Hello everyone, welcome to Hunnara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a special Hanuman Alankaram with the cloth which is being made in the North Indian style, and not just that, I have also used the jewelry which is in the North Indian style. I will also be sharing you the details of the person from whom you can purchase each one of these items, whether it is jewelry or the dress, and you can also get each one of these items customized according to your needs and the size of the idols. And not just that, I will also be showing you on how good this dress material is, something which is very rarely available in the market these days. So each one of these dresses can be customized to whichever style you want and to whichever size you want. So please don't miss to watch this video till the end. So I purchased all of these items from a girl called Ridham Bhagat, who is also a subscriber of this channel, and she has very newly opened this particular business, and that is why she doesn't have any online shopping details. The name of her brand is Sri Durga Boutique for Gods, and this is her email ID, and this is her Instagram and her YouTube channel and her Facebook details. So if you go and visit her Instagram, you will be able to find varieties of dresses that she has already made, and she has already delivered them to the customers also, and you will also find varieties of jewelry which is available with her. And as and when she has got more varieties, she will be uploading it on the Instagram, and based on that you can connect with her on her email ID by giving your WhatsApp details so that she can contact you and get all the size details and the material and the style that you want. So without wasting much time, let me just show you on the material that she had sent and how I am doing the Hanuman Alankaram with it.
Shri Ram, 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 Shri
I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.